taking a look at a really nice tie-dye kit. This is the blue kit from Doodle Hog. They call it the Beach Bum Blues. And this comes along with their soda ash. And then it comes along with 3 different types of blue. You've got the indigo, you've got the Bulwelga, and then you've got teal. So you got a baby blue, you've got a teal, and you've got an indigo. That gives you a lot of fun when you're doing skies and you're doing oceans and you're doing those effects with the tie-dye. These come along with 3 bags of soda ash. These are fiber reactive dyes, so these are going to last forever on a cotton material, and they're going to be so vibrant. They don't wash out. That soda ash makes them chemically react with the cotton. They do a great job. You also have all the rubber bands you need in here, so we're really looking forward to having a afternoon project to make some really interesting blue themed tie-dyes. I want to thank Doodle Hog for sending us this set to check it out. Hope this helps.